Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we're going to be going over how to scale in Slic3r. So we're looking at the model, and generally what we need to do is make sure that the model is about 50 millimeters tall or so in this direction. We don't want something huge, particularly in-person classes we aim for like 50 millimeters. You could be doing whatever, but in in-person classes we aim for about a 50 millimeter size so that the prints are done in around a half hour so kids have time to print. So in this case I can scale this up. Now you'll see that I can't scale, and you can't click here and just change the scale either. Although by clicking here I did activate the model. So you see how the model's yellow. If I make it green by clicking, now I can scale. And I'm going to change this to 175 is my guess. And we can look at this, and by the way, we can see that 45 millimeters is the height this way, 18 millimeters this way, and 14 millimeters tall. This is a good size to print in one of our in-person classes because it'll print in about a half hour approximately. But you might have a bigger printer at home, you might be printing a very large piece, and by the way, if you're printing something that fits with other parts, you probably want to scale it at exactly 100%. But in our case, for in-person classes, and we got a bunch of kids coming in and printing stuff relatively quickly, we aim not at a percent. The percent could be anything. We're aiming for millimeters. Each of these squares is about 10 millimeters. And so you can also visually look and say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's about 50 millimeters tall. And then you can look down here and see that in fact it is close to 50 millimeters tall by reading these numbers. And by the way, for reference, the volume is 7,000. Okay, so maybe we don't want to go over 9,000 with the volume. I'm not sure, but anyway, Keith from Kinvert. We went over how to scale things in Slic3r. This is part of our online course with CAD and 3D printing. Hope you found it helpful, and we will see you in the next one. See ya.